Sherry, and I'm super excited to be here today. I will be sharing with you the latest Club Lalaland Crafts kit reveal. This is the reveal for the month of November 2020. This month's kit is pretty darn awesome, I think. Included in the kit are several dies and stamps, and when I saw the dies, I think I may have actually squealed out loud. They are so awesome. I'm going to get back to the dies in just a little bit though. So for this month's kit, you will receive 4 images, and they will come to you on this deeply etched red rubber, which is cling mounted. And something cool about the stamps, when you get them, they will come to you with a laminated card that you can store your stamps on. So I think that's cool. For the images, there is number 1, this sweet Marcy with her sled. And then there are also 3 bear hug stamps. And when looking at the stamps, I think they could be polar bears or maybe brown bears or maybe even teddy bears. I mean, maybe Marcy's taken her teddy bear for a ride on the sled, right? So don't tell anyone, but I think if I had to choose, the bears would probably be my all-time favorite. Okay, now on to the awesome dies that are included in this month's kit. First, there is a fence on a hill, and of course you can just use a portion of it or all of it. And then there are 2 snowbanks dies, and that brings me to what I was most excited about, and that is the winter houses dies. They also have snowy roofs included, and I think you can use those houses all year round. I mean, I think if you were to put a heart on one of the houses, you would have a Valentine's Day house. Maybe you could make a Halloween house. I mean, I think the possibilities are endless, and I think you guys are probably going to come up with something even better. Okay, let's see. Included in the kit is also the sentiments. There is number 1, bear hugs are enclosed. Number 2, may your days be berry and bright. And number 3, I love you more than I can bear. Number 4, sledding by with a winter high. And then also, I love you so much. Let's see. Now I get to share with you the cards that I made for this month. So first of all, I made a 6x6 inch card where I added several houses in various colors on top of the snowy banks. And then on top of the houses, I popped on the snowy roofs, and then I added just a little bit of sparkle to the rooftops also. And you can see on the left side of the card where I included the fence using the fence on a hill die, and also using the same dies, I made a small frozen pond, and I included a sentiment up on the top left hand of the card. For card number 2, I made a little snow globe, and inside of the little snow globe, I created a tiny winter village, and I love the way this one turned out. Oh, also, I guess I also popped on 4 of the bear images too, all around the card. 2 of them are kind of peeking out behind the snow globe. Okay, so that's it for my projects. When you initially sign up for your monthly subscription, you will be able to choose between 3 different subscriptions. Number 1, there is a die-only option for $29.99. Number 2, there is a stamp-only option for $19.99. And the third subscription choice that you will have when initially signing up is everything, the whole kit and caboodle for $39.99. And you can see that that is a pretty incredible savings. At $39.99, it's only $10 more than just the dies only option. So, I mean, you got to go for the $39.99 option for everything. This month, let's see, the kit is valued at $80.99. So again, that is just an incredible savings. Also, when you subscribe, you will have access to exclusive tutorials that were created just for you by our awesome design team. And one more thing that I need to mention, the last day that you have to sign up is November 30th. I know it's a huge savings and it's a great value, and I know you're going to love it, so don't wait. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by today. I truly appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.